Paulit-ulit na lang ba ang baon mo sa office o sa school? Prito, adobo, prito, prito ulit. Share ko sa inyo ang office baon ng anak ko today. Hi workmates, this is my version of baked creamy salmon and let me show you how. Let's prepare the creamy filling. In a small bowl, combine the cream cheese, mayonnaise, lemon juice, squeeze garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix well until the ingredients are fully incorporated and set aside. Let's season the salmon fillet with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Ito yung baunan ng daughter ko, so dito ko na siya lulutuin mismo. Spread the creamy filling over the top of the salmon. Maglalagay din tayo ng sliced lemon at ng butter. Cover natin to ng foil. Bake it for at least 10 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked. Remove and let's put cheddar, mozzarella cheese on top. Maglalagay din tayo ng mixed veggies. Balik natin sa air fryer or oven for another 3 minutes or until the cheese is melted and golden brown. Sarap ng baon ng anak ko. Enjoy! See ya!